Everyone, this is Becky with Scott Leroy Marketing, and today I want to show you how you can track your command email engagement through your command email report in your reports applet in Command. So each KW agent does have access to command email, which is your default email service that is going to send emails from your applets like smart plans, campaigns, opportunities, and things like that. Each associate gets 5,000 free email sends per month, although you can upgrade that email subscription if you need more emails per each month. So we're going to go ahead, we're going to look at how you can track that email engagement today. So the first thing you want to do is you want to sign into Command, which is agent.kw.com, and you'll sign in with your KW login credentials here. Once we are signed in, we are going to go to our reports applet. It's going to be the one that is a graph on the left-hand side. You can also expand this menu using the red square with the white KW. If you are unfamiliar with each of the applets, we're going to go ahead and go to our reports applet. I'll minimize that menu again. And we have a few options to find this email report. First of all, it's going to be under your communication reports right here. So we can click on that and then find our emails. We can also click this star by the email button and you'll see that it is added to our favorites when the star is filled in. And then we would be able to go to this favorites tab up at the top and find that. We can also search right here. We can search for the name. So we can search emails and it's going to populate that report right there. When we click on that, it's going to bring us directly into our email report. From there, we have some different ways to track this. So we have our metrics down below. You can see it is broken down. It's color-coded by the different applets. If you are Market Center staff, you'll see Market Center recruits, associates, and smart plans. If you are not in Market Center staff, you will likely not see these three options right here. So don't worry if you are not seeing them. If you're Market Center staff and not seeing them, you can reach out to us. We're happy to take a look for you. But if you are not in Market Center staff, you likely do not have access to those three right here. We can go ahead, we can filter by the month. So we can look at previous months. We can see those metrics down below. We can go back. We can look through those different months and see the different options. Again, it's color-coded by the different type of email that was sent out. So if it was sent out via an email campaign, it's going to be a darker green, blue for smart plans, yellow for contacts, and lime green for other. So we'll go back to this month right here. So we're in our current month. We can upgrade this plan right here if we need more than that 5,000 email limit. You can just click upgrade plan. You'll see your account usage down below. So we currently have 2 cents since this is a demo account. But you will see as this fills up, you'll see what percentage you are at of your 5,000 limit. So you'll know if you need more or may need more later on. You'll see it will be color coded similarly to how these are down below with your different colors of what percentages are each of the different applets. Ours, we only have 2 emails, which is not even a full percent. So you will see that broken down right through here. And if you hover over the bar, you're also going to see the totals populate through here. So you can see what percentage is for which applet. Scrolling down, you're going to see your delivery and engagement right here. So we can see 100% were delivered, 0 undelivered, 100% were opened. If any were unsubscribed, replied to, or clicked any of the links within that email, we would see those through here as well. You'll also see the actual number of how many emails were delivered, undelivered, opened, unsubscribed. And then you can also click this view details button underneath if you want to see which email address, unsubscribed or viewed, which applet the email was sent from, and the subject of that email. So you have those options through here. You can view it for each of the stats here. So delivered, undelivered, opened, clicked, replied, or unsubscribed through here. And then finally down below, you'll have your reputation metrics. So you can make sure that you do not have as many emails being marked as spam. So it'll tell you how many have been marked as spam versus sent right here. And you want to keep that super, super low. So they'll have color coding here. So if you've been marked as spam by less than 0.025% of the recipients, you are on track. You should be good to go. Will be green. On watch is going to be yellow. It's going to be for 0.025% to 0.05%. And on alert is anything over than 0.05%. So you'll be able to take a look at each of those through here and see what your reputation is looking at. You do want to make sure that you are not being marked as spam, and KW does have some guidance on how to do that if you need that. If you have any questions or if you run into any snags, please feel free to reach out to us via email. Our email is support@scottleroymarketing.com, and we are here to help out. Hope you have a fantastic rest of your day.